Okay, children, we have to start with the try these page 176. The diagram is I have already drawn. It's a polygon ABCD. The second question, which is divided into parts. You can see triangle, trapezium, triangle, trapezium, right? So we have to find out the area. So it's we will find out these areas and then add and we get the total areas. Okay, and this question is a type of a blank where we have to fill up. Okay, so the first here I'll just read the question. Polygon ABCD is divided into parts as shown in figure. Find its area. If AD is given, AD 8 cm, AH 6, AG 4, AG is 4, AF is 3, AF is 3, and perpendiculars BF, BF is 2, CH is 3, EG, EG is 2.5. Okay. Now, area of polygon ABCD will be equal to area of this triangle, that is AFB. AFB is already written. Okay. We have to complete the rest. So let's start. So area of triangle AFB. AFB. Now we will write area of triangle BFHC or BCHF, anything, plus area of trapezium BCHF, this one, plus area of triangle CHD, area of triangle CHD, plus area of triangle AED. Now, area of triangle AFB, now it's written there, okay? Area of triangle AFB is half into AF into BF, which is equal to half into 3 into 2. So, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Okay, this is written. So, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Answer is 3 ones are 3 centimeter square. Then area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is written FBCH. FBCH, the same thing. BCHF, what I have written. So, which is equal to FH. I am writing what is written, children. FH, that is base into sum of parallel sides by 2, right? So, base into sum of parallel sides are what? What are the parallel sides? BF and CH. BF plus CH by 2. Which we now we will complete it. FH is how much, children? FH. Is it given in the question? Let's see. Where is FH? FH is not given. Okay. So, FH is not given, but AD is given, AH is given, AF is given. So, to find out FH from AH, we remove AF, correct? So, we will come to know FH. So, how much is AH? AH is 6. I am doing it here, children. FH is equal to, we need to know this. For that, if we subtract AH and AF, we will come to know FH. Okay. So, AH is how much? It is given. AH is 6 and AF is also given. AF is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So, FH is how much? 3 into, now we need to know BF. BF, it is given already, perpendicular distance, yes, 2. And CH, CH, is it given already? CH CH is 3. So 3 into 5 by 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 by 2 gives us half of 15. That is 7.5 centimeters square. This is one area. This is the second area of the trapezium. Now we need to know the area of this triangle, that is CHD. Okay? Yes, triangle CHD. So area of triangle CHD, they have already written half into base into height, that is half into HD into CH. So half into CH, I think it's given already. CH we have written, na, 3. So I am writing 3 here also. We need to know HD. Is HD given? We will check. No, HD is not given. Instead, AD is given and AH is given. AD and AH. So if from AD we remove AH, we will come to know HD. Yes. So again, go to a corner and write HD is equal to AD minus AH. Now what is AD? Go back to the question. AD is 8. What is AH? AH is 6. 8 minus 6 gives us 2. So 2 will come here. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. And what is left over? 3. 3 centimeter square. This is area of triangle CHD. Now area of triangle AED we have to find out. AED. So that is half base into height. Half AD into EG. I think all three are given. AD is already given. AD we took 8 and EG, let's check if yes, 2.5. 2.5. So we divide 2 and 8, that is 4. Now 4 into 2.5. 4 into 25 gives us 100. That is 10.0 centimeters square. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. We needed. Now we add all the 4 areas to get the total area of polygon A, B, C, D, E. So let's do that. So first one is 3 centimeters. Then 7.5 centimeters. Then 3 centimeters again. And 10 centimeters. Centimeter squares everywhere. Huh? This much is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5. This is 10, 13. And this is 23.5. So 23.5 centimeter square. Okay. So this completes question number 2. Now we start question number 3. Figure 11.19, find the area of the polygon. So we will first and foremost, let me draw the polygon. Children, we are doing it in book, okay? That is why I have written everything directly. This is N, this is O, OP. NA, then OC, then QD, and then RB. I have drawn a little tilted because it was coming this way. Okay, then the things are given, MP is given, and I'm writing it here, children, so that I can keep the book. MP is equal to 9, MD is equal to 7, MC is equal to 6, MB is equal to 4, and MA, which is equal to 2, and NA, OC, QD, RB are the perpendiculars to the diagonal, MP. So that also I will write here. This is 2.5. This is 3 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters again. And this is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Ouch. So, this is already divided into so many parts. You can see triangle, trapezium, triangle, sorry, this third. Triangle, sorry, trapezium and triangle. Okay, so we will find out so many areas, correct? And then we will add the to find the total area of the polygon MNOPQR. So let's start. So area of triangle, first of all, this first triangle, that is half base into height, where MA is 2. So I am writing directly half base is 2, MA is 2, you can see, and height is 2.5. Plus second one, base AC. AC is given? No. AC is not given, so I am just writing AC into sum of parallel distance, that is 2.5 plus 3 by 2. Then half base into height again, that is half into base. What is base? CP. CP is not given, I am just writing it CP into height, children, OC, that is 3. Then plus fourth one, half base into height. Half base is CP and height is DQ, that is already given 2, so I am writing it 2. Plus again area of trapezium. So the base we will take BD. Okay, BD is given? No. BD into sum of parallel distance, that is 2.5 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, this completes the area of trapezium. Then half base into height. Half base is MB given. Yes, MB is 4. 4 into height is 2.5. Correct? Now first thing, we solve this. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is left? 2.5. So 2.5, this is centimeters square. Then here we need to know AC. AC. So if we subtract, MC is given. If we remove MA, we'll come to know AC. So come back here. So AC is equal to MC minus MA. Now MC is how much? 6. MA is how much? 2. So AC is how much? 4. Go back. In place of AC, we'll write 4 into 2.5 plus 3 by 2. This 4 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 remains here. Then this is over. Then we come back here. Now here we need to know CP. MC is given and MP should be given. Yes, MP and MC is given. So children, this is CP. From MP, if we remove MC, we'll come to know CP. So come here, we need to know CP. CP is equal to MP minus MC. How much is MP? 9. MC is 6, which gives us 3. Here. So plus half 3 into 3. Then plus, come back here. This is also CP, where we have already found half into 3 into 2 plus. This is BD. Now we need to know what is BD. Where is BD? Where is BD? BD is here. MD is given? Yes. MD is given. So, if we remove MB is given? MB is also given, sorry. So, if we remove MB from MD, we'll come to know BD. So, come here. BD is equal to MD minus MB. MD is how much? 7. MB is how much? 4. Answer is 3. So, it's very interesting type of question. So, 3 into 2.5 plus 2 divided by 2 plus, this is, we'll cancel this comes out to be 2, and we add 2 into 25 gives us 15, so 50 becomes 5.0. Are they 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we are going correct. Now we solve. So this is 2.5. Let it be 2.5 only. This becomes 2 into 5.5 plus this becomes 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 2. This becomes 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This remains 3 and this becomes 4.5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4.5. 4.5 into 3. Let me do it. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 13. So it's 13.5 divided by 2. And this is 5.0, which we have already solved. Plus 2 5s are 10, 11. 11.0 plus this becomes 4.5, half of 9. This remains 3 and this becomes 2 6s are 12. Point 7s are 14. 6.75 plus 5. 13.5. Let's check, children. Correct. Now, we add all these areas. 2.5, 11.0, 4.5, 3, 6.75 and 5. 5. 17. Check once again. 10, 17, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 32.75 centimeters square. So this completes the try these. Okay, interesting try these, children. After this is exercise 11.2, which we will start in our next class.